Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Vagisha Mishra. I review and decode beauty pageants at my channel. So if you don't want to miss out on any pageant story, please go ahead and subscribe so you'll be the first to get notified whenever a video goes live at my channel. So many of you had been asking me consistently, where is my Miss World leaderboard and why have I not posted it? So I shot one leaderboard for Miss World 2021 in December, but for some reason or the other, I couldn't edit it and put it up, and after that so many stunning candidates were crowned. So I finally waited to make another leaderboard, and here I am to disclose my top 10 favorites for Miss World 2021. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video to know who are my favorites for Miss World 2021. So let's get started. So starting my leaderboard with number 10, and on number 10 I have Namrata Shrestha from Nepal. So Nepal has always performed very well at international pageants since last few years. Despite of being a new sash in pageantry, they have always given their best and they have always tried their best every year. And this time as well, I feel that Namrata Shrestha is also going to give her best. Given the kind of preparation Nepal offers to its delegates, we can say that we can expect a good Beauty with a Purpose project from Namrata Shrestha. And looking at her overall profile, her interactive skills, and also how promising she looks when she talks, I can say that Nepal can definitely go ahead and get a placement at Miss World 2021. So Nepal at number 10. At number 9, I have Priscilla Lerosse from Guadeloupe. So she has a beautiful face, very finely carved facial features, and when I go through her social media profile, I must say that I find her personality to be really tantalizing. She seems to be very vivacious and seems to be having fun with herself. Whenever she's posting any picture or video, she seems to be doing it with complete conviction and dedication. So I definitely feel that Guadeloupe can pull off a top 10 placement. At number 8, I have Alyssa Angeruk from United States of America. Now, although she seems to be a little bit fierce for a soft competition like Miss World pageant, but when I hear her speaking, I am so convinced that USA is sending a very good candidate to Miss World pageant, because she deals with the advocacy of Alzheimer patients, where she is devoting herself to do something for the people who have been suffering for Alzheimer, and I feel that she will do quite well in a round like Beauty with a Purpose, which is the heart of Miss World pageant. So United States of America at number 8. At number 7, I have yet again a beautiful Asian candidate from Vietnam, Do Thi Ha. I feel that she's facially stunning, and I feel that she seems to be very prepared in terms of her ramp walk and in terms of her communication skills. When she talks, she seems to be talking straight from her heart, and she seems to be giving her ideas and opinion in a very convincing and dedicated way. So I feel that with this kind of aura, she can definitely nail the head-to-head challenge and also closed-door interview, which time will tell. So at number 7, I have Vietnam. At number 6, I have Rose Manfair from Tanzania. Now, what a beautiful face she has. The moment when she was crowned, I was so much stunned by her facial beauty and the kind of graceful aura she brings on the stage. I love her overall personality, and I love the way she carries herself in each and every appearance, especially her hair. They seem to be very natural and beautiful, and I feel that if she gives her best, she can definitely pull off a great surprise at Miss World 2021. Now let's come to my top 5 favorites for Miss World 2021 as of now. And right now at number 5, I have Karolina Kopenkova from Czech Republic. Now when I went through her interviews and her press conferences videos, which are there on YouTube, I feel that she's very good when it comes to interview skills. She speaks with utmost confidence, flair, and she has the clarity in her vision, which I think will take her forward in the journey. She has a great personality and amazing body language and posture to present herself in front of press, and I think with this preparation, she can definitely give other contenders a run for their money. And now it's time for number 4, and at number 4 I have Carla Yules from Indonesia. Now, Indonesia knows the Miss World formula very well. Since last few years, I think they have been sending amazing beauty with a purpose projects at Miss World pageant, and they are trying their level best to win their first ever Miss World title. So this time I think it's quite much possible that Indonesia might win its first ever Miss World title in the representation of Carla Hughes, because she's so beautiful. She has that soft, appealing facial beauty which is actually appreciated at Miss World pageant. She speaks with conviction, she looks beautiful, and she has that amazing photo shoot and ramp walk qualities which will take her ahead in the top model round as well. So I think with the right preparation, because she has been supported by such a strong team, that I can definitely believe that Indonesia will give their best at Miss World pageant. So at number 4, I have Indonesia. Now at number 3, I have Alexandra Conde from Venezuela. Now those who have been following my videos since a while, they know how much I was favoring Alexandra Conde for the title of Miss Venezuela, and I'm so happy that she has been honored with the title of Miss World Venezuela, because Evian Sarcos was the last lady to win and place at Miss World pageant back in 2011, and after so many years I see this happening once again. Talking about Alexandra Conde, she belongs from a medical background which is very much welcomed and appreciated at Miss World pageant, and she does very well when it comes to the runway performance or in terms of photo shoots, which is why I think she can give her best at the top model round as well. Talking about the head-to-head challenge, because she has a great flair over her communication skills, I think she can perform extremely well at head-to-head challenge as well. And after following her social media for a while, I think she has been nailing all of her social media handles with amazing posts, interacting with her fans, and also giving updates about her pageant journey, which I believe is a very vital aspect to be kept in mind. So at number 3, I have Venezuela. And now at number 2, I have Manasa Varanasi from India. Now who can beat India when it comes to Miss World pageant, because they know how to nail the performance at Miss World pageant so beautifully. Manasa Varanasi not only fits so beautifully in the mold of Miss World candidate, but she has the personality which demands attention. Looking at her overall stature and her personality, I feel she has a beautiful face, amazing personality. I love how graceful and composed she is. Watching all of her interviews after her crowning, I must say that she develops her composure in such a way that is almost appreciated in other international pageants as well as national pageants. The best thing I love about Manasa Varanasi is her composure and her grace, because when she talks, it does not look like her journey has ended after winning the national title, but she has a vision which she is working towards when she's preparing herself for Miss World competition. So she seems to be having a vision in her mind. I love the way she carries herself. She's quite graceful in her demeanor, and I love how focused and convinced she sounds when she is answering her questions. So overall, I think India couldn't have sent a better candidate to Miss World pageant other than Manasa Varanasi, because she has shown and proved how graceful a Miss World representative can be. So I definitely feel that if not the 7th Miss World crown, India can definitely reach to top 5 once again. And now at number 1, I have none other than Shudufazu Musida from South Africa. Now South Africa won its Miss World crown last in 2014, and I think that after 6 years they are still ready to win another Miss World crown, because Shudufazu is so beautiful when it comes to her presentation. I have seen her press conferences, her interviews, and she seems to be very confident and very convinced when she is talking to the audience. She is sure about her advocacy which deals with mental health, and I think she has a great team to back her in her journey to Miss World. So I think she will nail the rounds like head-to-head challenge, top model round, and also multimedia round, because I've been following her journey since a while, and I must say that I'm seriously very happy by how she's updating her life journey. So at number 1, I have Shudufazu Musida from South Africa. and tell me in the comment section who do you think can be the Miss World 2020-21 winner, and I will see you guys pretty soon with the next one. Thank you for watching and I'll be back soon.